Hello dear student, we are studying physics as well as general science, and today's topic is measurement on Vernier scale. This topic is from unit and measurement chapter. In the last video, we have discussed about what is Vernier scale and its uses, and today's is measurement on Vernier scale. So we draw a Vernier caliper. One is main scale and this one is Vernier scale. Two scales used in Vernier caliper, one is main scale and another is Vernier scale. There are two jaws, A and V, and the working of jaws is to measurement length of instrument and its diameter or diameter of cylinder. It can also measurement the diameter of a sphere also. Next one is C and D. It is also two jaws and its measurement is internal diameter. To measurement the internal diameter. In the last parts, that is E, it is called depth gauge. It means it is used to measure the depth of any small object like that beaker, glass, etc. To measurement of depth of beaker, glass, like that instrument. In the Vernier caliper, how will measure? So we will discuss about. For this, we draw a main scale and one Vernier scale. This is main scale and its marking. It's marking in cm. 1 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm, like that, and it is called main scale. In the Vernier caliper, another scale is Vernier scale, which is main parts of Vernier caliper. So in the Vernier scale, marking in the Vernier scale is not given. That is why we have to find the marking in Vernier scale. So its division is less than the main scale. Its division, the Vernier scale division is less than the main scale division. It is a Vernier scale. And generally in 95% cases, the main scale division, or we can say its smallest measurement, are in cm. That is 0.1 cm. Here 1 cm equals to 10 division, that is 1 cm by 10, or 1 cm equals to 10 mm. So we can write 1 cm is equals to 10 division, that is 1 by 10, and its least count will be 0.1 cm. It is the smallest measurement for normal scale or any main scale that we use in our measuring for any instrument. This is 10 division for main scale, and it is equals to the 9 division of main scale is equals to 10 division of Vernier scale. In 95% cases, it is equals to 9 division of Vernier scale, 10 division of Vernier scale, that is 10 division divided by 10 parts, or 10 smallest marking. So 9 division of main scale is equals to 10 division of vernier scale. We can write in 9 unit of MSD is equals to 10 unit of VSD. Now it is possible because each division on vernier scale is smaller than each division on main scale. The vernier scale division is smaller than the main scale division. That is why its least count is less than the main scale. Generally, each division on vernier scale is smaller than the each division on main scale. Now, how will measure in vernier caliper? So, we see, take one small division. For vernier caliper, what is smallest measurement? For this, we take one division of main scale and one division of vernier scale. So we draw a one division of main scale and one division of vernier scale. This is the one division of main scale, that is A. It is main scale division, and from figure we draw a vernier scale division, that is V, and its difference is C. Here, what is the smallest measurement? You can guess what is the smallest measurement. The smallest measurement is, it is the difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division. That is, one main scale division is A and vernier scale division is V. So its result is C. That is called least count. And it is also called smallest measurement of vernier caliper or vernier scale. So smallest measurement is, it is the difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division. It is the difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division. Therefore, least count is equals to here C equals to A minus B. It is the smallest measurement. C equals to A minus B. It is equals to least count. And least count will be LC equals to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. One MSD minus 1 VSD. Generally, in main scale, the markings are given and is given in cm. That is 1 cm equals to 1 by 10 cm and is equals to 0.1 cm. We are calculated already. So generally, marking of main scale are in cm and its least count will be 0.1 cm in 95% cases. But in case of vernier scale division, the vernier scale division, its marking not given. In case of vernier scale division, its marking not given. Therefore, we have to find the least count for vernier scale division. And by this least count, we can measurement for any small object, that is its length or diameter. It is like this. So we see let the NVSD are equals to MMSD. We let the N vernier scale division are equals to M main scale division. Here NMSD is equals to 9 unit. Here NVSD is equals to 9 unit of. Therefore NVSD equals to MMSD. Therefore 1 VSD equals to M by N MSD. In case of least count, 1 MSD, that is the least count is equals to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So we put the value of 1 VSD. Therefore least count will be, here least count is equals to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 MSD means 9 unit of MSD and 1 VSD means 10 unit of VSD. That is we found already. So here least count is equals to 1 MSD minus M by N MSD. We put the value of 1 VSD. Therefore least count is equals to, take MSD in common. So least count is equals to MSD into 1 minus M by N. Least count is equals to whole of MSD into 1 minus M by N. It is the least count for vernier caliper, where M equals to number of main scale division and N equals to number of vernier scale division. Where M equals to number of main scale division and N equals to number of vernier scale division. Its relation is valid if, it is most important, its relation is valid if M greater than N. Its relation valid only if M greater than N. That is M is main scale division is greater than the N, that is number of vernier scale division. Now we put in ordinary vernier scale. The relation we put in ordinary vernier scale, this least count will found. Here 1 MSD equals to 1 cm by 10. It is generally in all cases. That is, it is generally in 95% cases. So 1 MSD equals to 1 cm by 10. It means 1 cm divided by 10 division equals to 0.1 cm. And in the vernier caliper, we see the 9 division of main scale is equals to 10 division of vernier scale. So its least count, the least count relation is MSD into whole of 1 minus M by N. Least count is equals to MSD into whole of M minus N. That is 1 minus M by N. So we put the value of MSD and M and N. So least count is equals to 0.1 cm into 1 minus 9 by 10. When we calculate this, it will be 0.1 into 1 by 10 is equals to 0.01 cm. It is the least count for vernier caliper. And by this least count, we can measure the instrument reading, or we can say its least count is equals to 0.1 mm or 0.01 cm. So it is the least count for vernier caliper. By this least count, we can measure the reading for any instrument or any small size of object. So this is the measurement for vernier caliper. Today's topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.